Mr. Chair?
Yes, Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair. Kung pwedeng itanong kina Mr. at Ms. Diskaya kung yung dalawang dokumentong isusumite nyo na sa komite also covers projects na pinasukan ninyo with government mula 2016 hanggang 2022.
Your Honor, pinasa na po sa inyo po yun nung misis ko po, yung hiningi po ninyo na subpoena po para doon sa ano po niya, company niya. Naipasa na po yun. Pero meron din po kaming extra ngayon dito.
Di po. So categorically,
Ay, di pala dala.
kasi ang sa pagkaalam ko po, hindi nyo pa sinasubmit yung ledger or list nyo ng mga proyekto mula 2016 to 2022. Paki-confirm lang, Ms. Diskaya.
Naipasa na, di ba?
Ako ba? Or si Kirby? Ako.
Oo. It was attention to me, the letter. So I passed it. Kailan yan? October 21, it was received by the Senate. Lahat ng documents except for the ledger kasi I don't have any personal knowledge on the ledger na hawak ko.
So including po projects from 2016 to 2022 until 2025.
Up to present.
Okay po. So including 2016 to
Yes, for Alpha and
2022
Omega.
projects.
Alpha and Omega as requested by
Just
the
for
Senate.
Alpha and Omega. Hindi po, okay, good po kung nasubmit nyo na yung Alpha and Omega from
Yes po.
2016 to 2022. Pero
Yes.
ang hiningi ko po nung hearing na iyon ay mga proyekto ng lahat ng mga kumpanya nyo
I
from
was just
2016
complying
to
whatever
2022.
was on the list that was requested from Alpha and Omega.
Then, Mr. Chair, I welcome na nakapag-submit na po sila for 2016 to 2022 partial. So, standing pa rin po yung request ko that they submit the other projects ng iba pa nilang mga kumpanya besides Alpha and Omega still for 2016 to 2022, Mr. Chair.